Hi, Stallions! Today you are going to practice retelling the story Stellaluna. Now, if you haven't listened to the story yet, you'll need to stop this video and make sure you listen to the whole story before you begin. Get started by writing your name down here at the bottom. It says Stellaluna, beginning, middle, and end. Think back to the story. What happened at the beginning of the story? Draw a picture using details. What happened in the middle of the story? Draw your next picture. Then, how did the story end? Draw a picture to show what happened at the end of the story. Please take your time and do a nice job using picture details.